Hey everyone, welcome to another tutorial video. Today I'll guide you through buying crypto on Telegram wallet. First, ensure you have a Telegram account. Once logged in, tap the hamburger icon at the top left. After tapping it, select the wallet option below your profile. When the wallet opens, here's how to buy crypto. You have two options. First, use the exchange feature. If you already have crypto like Tancoin in my wallet, tap exchange, enter the amount of Tancoin, say 0.03, and swap it for USDT on the TAN network. Then tap review order and confirm the conversion. Alternatively, use the P2P option. Tap crypto, select USDT instead of BTC, and tap buy. Enter the amount of your local currency to buy USDT, then tap check order and confirm. Before proceeding, you must submit personal details like a government issued ID to enable transactions on Telegram. That's how you buy crypto via the P2P market or exchange. Drop questions in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe.